So in the last example in the previous video, x equals 1 makes our polynomial 0, but x equals 1 doesn't make every polynomial 0. So how should we find the number after substituting by x makes our polynomial 0? After 1 we should try 2, and then 3. This might be frustrating. Here I give you a theorem by which it tells us that which numbers we should try. For instance, this is our polynomial x cubed plus 15x squared plus 71x plus 105. And we want to factor it, and we have no idea how to do it, but finding the value of x which makes it 0, then doing the division as we did in the last video. So 1 doesn't make it 0, and the theorem says that if the coefficient of the monomial with the biggest degree be 1, as here, the values of x which possibly makes it 0 are the divisors of the constant number of our polynomial, this one. And we should try also the negative divisors. For instance, what are the divisors of this? Is plus and minus 1. It is 5 times 21. Okay, plus and minus 1, plus and minus 3, plus and minus 5, plus and minus 7, plus and minus 15, and so on. So we should substitute them starting by plus and minus 1 till we find the value which makes this 0. Let's start by this 1. We substitute 1. That would be 1 cubed plus 15 plus 71 plus this. This is definitely not 0. All of it were positive. So try minus 1 cubed plus 15 minus 71 plus this. This is also not 0. And here we don't need to try plus or minus 2. because it is not one of the divisors of this. So try plus 3 cubed plus 15 times 9 plus 71, 3 times 71. This is also not 0, all of it is positive, could not be 0. How about minus 3? Minus 3 cubed plus 15 times 9 minus 71 times 3 plus this. You know, calculating this is a crazy job. So here I give you a method by which we could easily calculate this substitution thing. So okay, here x cubed equals to x times x squared. So our x here is minus 3. We substitute minus 3 here instead of this x, and that would be minus 3x squared. This becomes minus 3x squared. Okay, plus 15x squared would be 12x squared. 12x squared, this thing, let me write it, 12x squared. Again, here 12x squared equals to 12x times x, and we substitute minus 3 into one of them. For instance, this one, minus 3 times 12 minus 36x. Again, so minus 36x plus 71x, 1x would be what? 35. Would be 35x plus this, and substitute minus 3 here. That would be minus 105 plus 100, that would be 0. So x minus 3 makes this 0. So x minus 3 is one of our factors, which is x plus 3. Okay. And in order to find the rest, we should divide this by x plus 3 by the method I gave you in the previous video.